Hello and welcome to Redstone tutorials, how to make a door with a combination lock. So first we're gonna start with taking some steps. You need iron door, redstone repeaters, levers, and redstone torch. Maybe some planks. So first we're gonna make the wall with the door. Let's make it like that. Here's the wall. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 combinations. So here, get away. Okay. Sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will take that is the code we're gonna have. But first we start with there, and there. That code you're gonna place blank there. So you're gonna place a redstone repeater. Please come on. And there you don't is right. You take a redstone torch and put a block over the redstone torch, and then put a block there again. So you put a little block here and new blocks here. There you have the right lever. You take a redstone torch here and there, and here you take redstone, and out here you take a redstone torch and a redstone going into the door. So here's our system, how to make a combination lock. If you see I press this, and this, the door will open. If I press this, the door will go again, and I press this, there will look at that nothing helps, only this code will help. Door is open. So I hope you liked the video of how we made a door with a combination lock. So please subscribe if you like, and like.